Yan, meron ng roho. Pag ganito yata maganda yun.
No! I wonder where you are tonight. No answer on the telephone.
Ayun ang kanyang anak. Ayun.
And the night goes by so very slow. Oh, I hope that it wasn't in love. Tonight, I always got by on my own. I never really cared until I met you. And now it pulls me to the moon. How do I get to alone? How do I get to alone? You don't know how long I have wanted to touch your lips and hold you tight. You don't know how long I have waited, and I was gonna tell you tonight.
Nakakanta rin eh. Nakakanta rin si
The
Ersi.
secret is to my own. And my love for you is still unknown. Ganda.
Ayan, si Mercy, ang kanyang anak. Oh. Mercy! Nagkakain ka na naman ng dalkmay!
How do I get to alone? How do I get to alone?
Tapos na ba yan?